When comparing FreshBooks versus Kashoo for mobile apps, you might be wondering which one truly offers the better experience for managing your business finances on the go. Both apps have a lot to offer, but they each bring their own strengths and weaknesses to the table, so let's dive in and see which one stands out when it comes to mobile usability. First off, let's talk about FreshBooks. FreshBooks has made a name for itself with a mobile app that's feature-rich and designed to help you stay on top of your business tasks from anywhere. The app offers a clean, intuitive design, allowing users to easily create and send invoices, track expenses, and even view reports, all from your smartphone. But while FreshBooks does a lot right, it's not without its downsides. The app can sometimes feel sluggish, especially when loading large reports or switching between different sections. It's a solid option, but if you're someone who needs a high-speed, ultra-responsive mobile experience, you might notice a few delays. Next thing, Kashoo's mobile app. Kashoo is much more streamlined compared to FreshBooks, but it comes with its own unique set of pros and cons. On the plus side, Kashoo's app is lightweight and easy to navigate. You can handle invoicing, track your receipts, and keep an eye on your cash flow without much hassle. However, it's not quite as packed with features as FreshBooks. The mobile app sometimes feels like a simplified version of the desktop, which could be a deal breaker if you're someone who needs more complex features on the go. But if you're looking for a basic and functional app without too many distractions, Kashoo's mobile platform could be a good fit. The third thing to consider is mobile app performance. When it comes to speed and responsiveness, FreshBooks tends to have more comprehensive features, but sometimes at the cost of lagging performance. Kashoo's app, on the other hand, runs smoother in terms of speed, but the trade-off is that it lacks some of the advanced features FreshBooks provides. If performance is a deal breaker for you, it might come down to what you prioritize more, speed or features. The fourth thing, integration and syncing. FreshBooks shines here, offering a seamless experience between the mobile app and the desktop version, so you can easily switch between devices without missing a beat. Kashoo does offer syncing between devices, but it's not as smooth. You may run into a few issues with data not syncing immediately or certain actions not being reflected across platforms in real time. This could be frustrating if you're switching devices often, so it's something to keep in mind. Finally, let's talk about pricing. FreshBooks is on the higher end of the pricing spectrum, especially if you need the features that make it stand out. Kashoo, however, offers a much more affordable price point, which might make it appealing to small business owners or freelancers looking for something budget-friendly. While Kashoo's lower price comes with some feature limitations, it could be a good compromise if you're just looking for something basic. Now, after testing both FreshBooks and Kashoo, it's clear that both apps have their merits. However, if you're serious about getting the most out of your mobile experience, and you're looking for a more responsive, feature-packed app, you might want to explore other options. Through the link in the description, you can try a better alternative, offering a more robust mobile app experience for managing finances. It's packed with features, runs smoothly, and provides exclusive benefits just for our viewers. Don't miss out on the best free trial available, and see how this option stacks up against both FreshBooks and Kashoo.